Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, most welcome guests. It's tempting to pontificate on the death penalty. It's tempting to get up here and try and move you to some passion out of sympathy for the murderers, or whether it's some other reason why we should kill the death penalty. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to give you a logical argument on why the death penalty should be repealed, stake driven in its heart, buried, be done with, no more. There's three main reasons. The first is financial. The second is it's bad public policy. And the third is we kill innocent people. Financially, the death penalty results in huge expenditures of money for a tiny percentage of people. There are currently 732 people on California's death row. They cost individually $90,000 a year more than every other prisoner. So we're spending $60,000 a year on your average prisoner, and then another 90 on top of that to say, well, we're going to kill you eventually. But that's the tip of the iceberg. That's just maintenance cost. We got to get you to death row. Getting somebody to death row is horrifically expensive. Because there's not just the trial of did you or did you not kill your wife? Did you or did you not kill your boyfriend? Did you or did you not commit a robbery and kill some innocent bystander? That part's easy. The next part is another whole trial. Should we kill you? Is your life worthy of being spared? Or should we take the full force of our power as a state, put our boot on your neck, and kill you? And once we've gone through that process and decided that, yes, you are worthy of being killed, the next thing we're going to do is immediately, no questions asked, automatically appeal that ruling straight to the California Supreme Court. So we're now up to 3 trials for one crime. And we haven't even begun with all the lawyering, posturing, and gambits just to try and get out from under all of this. Now, each one of those 732 prisoners probably is going to live an average of 30 years. So that's 30 years at $90,000 apiece. That's an awfully large number. Each one of those prisoners probably cost $2.5 million to get onto death row. That $2.5 million per prisoner to get them onto death row is approximately $1 billion. All of the appeals, all of the maintenance costs, totals about $4 billion for 732 people in the state of California. What are we doing? Why are we wasting this money on people that we could just as easily go, you know what? You did it. Life in prison, no questions asked, no parole, done. No appeal, no extra security. We're done. We're going to save $4 billion. You're still going to be put away, because odds are you're never going to actually get executed anyways. It just makes financial sense to do away with the death penalty. Then there's the public policy argument. Well, we want to have the death penalty because we want to be strong on crime. We want to send a message to all those people out there, those evildoers. We've been sending that message since 1977. Every single month of every single year since then, we've put somebody on death row. The message isn't working. It doesn't work. Stop with the message. It also creates a false sense of security. We're tough on crime. We're a society that says if you do a crime, you're going to do the time, and maybe the time will be shortened. But more likely not. And those people that want to be tough on crime, those people that want to have a strong public policy against criminal behavior, feel secure. Because, hey, we're putting people in prison for murder. Isn't our society safer? No, it's really not. People are still getting killed. We still have robberies. We still have burglaries. We still have rapes. We still have murders, DUIs. Everything that has happened since the dawn of time is continuing, and the death penalty does nothing to diminish that fact. It's bad public policy because it creates a false sense of security, and all it does is cost us money. And the third reason is everyone's nightmare. The cops come knocking on your door. They arrest you. They throw you in the back of a car. They take you downtown. They start grilling you. 14, 16, 18 hours. They're yelling at you, trying to get you to admit to a crime that you know you didn't commit. Next thing you know, you're in a trial. Next thing you know, 12 people have decided you're actually guilty of this crime. You're on death row. But you didn't do it. You were innocent. How did you get convicted? Pick a way. Prosecutor's misconduct. Eyewitness misidentification. Happens all the time. Bad lawyering. Sad to say, there are bad lawyers out there. The perjured testimony. Whether intentional by the police or inadvertent by a witness, it's perjury. Those are just easy ways to get convicted. I submit to you that financially, with public policy, and with the innocence of people's lives at stake, we should do away with the death penalty. Madam Toastmaster.